Today we're gonna go over some exciting new Blender features, new software releases, and other great news from the world of game development. The Grease Pencil's new dot dash modifier. Yimigwoo, the Blender developer who created the line art system in Blender, has officially released a new Grease Pencil modifier called the dot dash modifier, and he has tweeted lately his latest update with the caption dot dash modifier now in master. This new tool is super convenient for 2D motion graphics among other things. It is simpler and easier to use, and it allows you to generate and control the dashes and dots on the Grease Pencil stroke. Overall, it is a fun and useful modifier to use and work with. Respawn Entertainment is hiring. Respawn Entertainment is an American video game development studio that was created in 2010 by the original creators of Call of Duty, and it is the same studio that launched previously Apex Legends, Star Wars Jedi Fallen Order, Titanfall, and Medal of Honor Above and Beyond. The studio is now hiring and looking for different specialists to join the studio's new game incubation teams, the development of Apex Legends in LA and Vancouver, and the Star Wars team. Grease Pencil improved Automerge. The Grease Pencil got another improvement from the developer Antonio Vasquez, and it is represented in enhancements to the Grease Pencil stroke joining operation. This improvement concerns the auto-merge of the Grease Pencil strokes when there is a remarkable difference in the thickness to make the joint smoother. Before this patch, joining the strokes with a large difference in thickness via auto-merge produced less than optimal results, but now it is much better and smoother. ActorCore update. ActorCore, the browser-based 3D content platform, got an update recently by Reillusion, the developer of Character Creator and iClone real-time animation software. The upgrade consists of optimization of topology and providing a complete lightweight character rigs including eyes, jaws, shoulders, fingers, and even toes, and ensuring more realistic animations and better lip sync control, as well as 60 facial blend shapes for more natural facial and body animations. It also has a variety of new 3D characters in different styles and categories, like photorealistic people made from 3D scans, sci-fi fantasy, historical, and tomb figures created by Character Creator. This update includes a library of 3D motion and FBX file export formats compatible with all major 3D software. URender 2021.9 released. URender 2021.9 has been released with a new sheen effect that can be used to simulate effects for fine microstructures such as fine hair, filaments, or skin. Thus, it is so handy for character design, and it is super beneficial for materials like cloth, microfibers, fruits, etc. It helps to create realistic shading for such materials and realize a realistic touch for different surfaces. Sheen is not only for textiles. It also helps to realize better light distribution because it reproduces the behavioral lighting on certain materials like in real life, and it is implemented with energy preservation that darkens the diffuse of light reflection. According to the development team, they are intending to implement new features, new plugins, and more improvements to achieve more impressive stuff. Elodie Games raised $32.5 million. The new game studio Elodie was launched by former developers of Riot Games, and it revealed recently that they raised $32.5 million to build cross-platform co-op games. The money was raised in a series of funding rounds that was led by Galaxy Interactive and Andreessen Horowitz, with addition funds provided by Patreon and Electronic Ant. The money was raised so fast as the company raised $5 million in February 2020, just before the pandemic brought big changes to the world of computer graphics and game development in addition to the real world. The team wants to build games that focus on people more than platforms and deliver on 3 core pillars: deep co-op gameplay, endlessly engaging experiences, and seamless crossplay across PC, mobile, and consoles. And finally, I will leave you with Scanline VFX's Tides Breakdown Reel. I hope you found these news interesting. If you have something to add, you can leave it in the comment section below. Also, you can check some of our previous videos. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one.